Alright, listen up, you think you're comfortable? Settled? Like water in a stagnant pond? Wrong. You're meant to flow, to crash, to adapt. It's time to change. Don't tell me about your limitations. Limitations are illusions, chains you forge yourself. You cling to old habits, old fears like a drowning man to a lead weight. You want to change? First, you must empty your cup. Be like water, my friend. Water adapts, it flows around obstacles, it crashes through them. You are not a tree, rigid and brittle, ready to snap in the wind. You are water. You say I can't, I say why not? Is your mind a prison? Are your dreams locked behind bars? Break those bars, kick down those doors. You want change, then create it. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Knowing is not enough, you must. Willing is not enough, you must. You want to know the truth is there are no limits, only plateaus. And you must not stay there, you must go beyond. This world, it throws punches, it kicks, it tests you, but you must be stronger, you must be faster, you must be more adaptable. Absorb what is useful, reject what is useless, add what is uniquely your own. Stop thinking, feel, let your instincts guide you. Don't concentrate on the finger pointing at the moon, or you'll miss all that heavenly glory. Change is not a destination, it's a constant flow, a constant evolution. So I ask you, what are you waiting for? Are you going to stay stagnant, or are you going to flow? Are you going to break, or are you going to adapt? It's time to change. Now go and what you are capable of.